First, we have breaking news as we come on the air at 11. A Milwaukee County judge just arrested by the FBI. 12 News' Hannah Hilliard is live at the federal courthouse in Milwaukee. And Hannah, the FBI director says Judge Hannah Dugan obstructed ICE officers.
Right, Mallory, and happening right now, we actually have a group of the judge's supporters gathering outside of the federal courthouse. As we know, just within the last hour, Judge Hannah Dugan did appear in front of a judge here inside of the federal courthouse. She is facing 2 federal counts, one of concealing a person from discovery and arrest, and one of obstruction of pending proceedings of the federal government. Now, this all stems back to an incident at the Milwaukee County Courthouse a week ago. FBI Director Kash Patel saying Judge Hannah Dugan misdirected ICE agents when they were there to make an arrest. According to a law enforcement source, ICE agents were waiting outside her courtroom last Friday for a man making a court appearance, but Dugan allegedly shielded that man to avoid ICE detention. Director Patel confirming the arrest in a now deleted post on X this morning. He says, quote, "The FBI arrested Judge Hannah Dugan out of Milwaukee, Wisconsin on charges of obstruction after evidence of Judge Dugan obstructing an immigration arrest operation last week. We believe Judge Dugan intentionally misdirected federal agents away from the subject to be arrested in her courthouse. Eduardo Flores Ruiz allowing the subject, an illegal alien, to evade arrest."
Hannah, the arrest happened this morning in the courthouse?
Yeah, and just moments ago, the U.S. Marshals did confirm that arrest happened around 8:30 this morning, again over at the Milwaukee County Courthouse. In court, Judge Dugan's defense attorney, Craig Mastrangelo, said, quote, "Judge Dugan wholeheartedly protests the arrest and believes it was not made in the interest of public safety."
This is a story we will continue to track throughout today. Hannah Hilliard reporting live from the federal courthouse in Milwaukee. Hannah, thank you for that update. Milwaukee County Executive David Crowley is responding to the arrest. He wrote, quote, "Like any individual in this country, I believe she's entitled to due process. We should let the facts come to light and the legal process play out," end quote. Congresswoman Gwen Moore also releasing a statement moments ago, quote, "Federal law enforcement coming into a community and arresting a judge is a serious matter and would require a high legal bar." She goes on to say, quote, "I am very alarmed at the increasingly lawless actions of the Trump administration and in particular ICE, who have been defying courts and acting with disregard for the Constitution," end quote. Milwaukee County Chief Judge Carl Ashley released a statement moments ago as well, saying the Judicial Code of Conduct restricts judges from commenting on pending or impending matters in any court. Judge Dugan's court calendar will be covered by another judge as needed. We will certainly continue to follow the story on air and on the 12 News app.